Welcome back to our Back to School Financial Planning 101 series. We're here today with Bill Page, estate planning coordinator and client specialist here at Modern Wealth Management. Today we'll be doing a short Q&A with Bill that will help highlight why estate planning is one of our Modern Wealth Advantage offerings. So let's get to it. What's one thing you want people to know about estate planning?
Well, if there's one thing I want people to know about estate planning, it's this. If you don't make a plan, the government already has one waiting for you. And spoiler alert, it doesn't care about your family dynamics, your values, or who you promised grandpa's Corvette to. Estate planning isn't just about money, it's about clarity, protection, and keeping the peace after you're gone. Without it, you're leaving behind confusion, questions, and a lot of potential conflict. So don't wait for a perfect time. And the best plan is before you need it, and ideally, before your relatives start fighting over that Corvette.
So who needs an estate plan?
So pretty much anyone that owns stuff, loves people, or wants a say in what happens when they're not around. If you have a bank account, a family, or even just a favorite nephew who shouldn't get that Corvette, congrats, you qualify. Estate plan isn't just for the wealthy, it's for the wise.
Why should someone have an estate plan?
A lot of times because the I'll get to it someday isn't a strategy. And unfortunately, none of us get out of this alive. An estate plan makes sure that your money, your wishes, and your family all land in the right place with less drama and fewer court dates. It's like reading a roadmap instead of a mystery novel, except with fewer plot twists and more peace of mind.
What's the biggest risk of not having an estate plan?
Well, you're letting the state write your final chapter. And unfortunately, it's a boring read. No character development, no family nuance, and definitely no respect for who actually deserved that Corvette. So without a plan, you risk leaving behind chaos, courtrooms, and a lot of unintended consequences.
So why should someone consider working with an estate planning specialist?
Well, Google doesn't know your family, and DIY wills and trusts don't ask follow-up questions. A specialist helps you avoid costly mistakes, navigating the fine print, and most importantly, make sure that your legacy ends up in the right hands, not a probate court. So it's like hiring a guide for your jungle trek. You could do it alone, but do you really want to?
Bill, thank you so much for your quick overview on those key considerations. Is there anything else that you'd like to add about the role of estate planning in a comprehensive financial plan and your role as estate planning coordinator and client specialist at Modern Wealth?
It's incredibly important to work with a firm where all of your people are talking together. Your plan specialist, your investment advisor, your tax advisor, and your risk management advisor. When all those people are talking, the whole plan comes together very seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in for this installment of our Back to School Financial Planning 101 series. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can find a link in the description to schedule a meeting with our team.